Wait, I wanna go piss. Oh wait, I'm gonna go take a whiz. Yep, average day. Nothing to worry about. This is an average day. We always had this kind of swimming pool. It's free and we don't have to pay for it. Also, yeah guys, don't worry, this is just an average day. What a beautiful day is it today. I'm gonna take a whiz. Oh, my bike hurt. Yep, totally normal. I got a pasta. Okay. Now let's get that. Is it a very normal day today? It's very normal today. This is the day I always met. This is the day I always met. Ooh. That's not a storm, guys. That's not a storm. That's an average rain. Yep, no kidding. This is an average rain. Good. Okay. Time to sleep.